Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get Excel free on Mac. Microsoft Excel is one of the most powerful spreadsheet tools available. You can access it on your Mac either through Microsoft 365 installation or free web access. Here are the two options. You can use Excel for free online. Open your Safari and go to office.com. Click and sign in and log in with your Microsoft account. Once signed in, click the Excel icon. You can now use Excel for free online. This version works entirely in your web browser and saves your files to OneDrive. Another option is to install the Excel via Microsoft 365 subscription. If you want a full desktop app version with all features, open your Safari and go to office.com and click Get Microsoft 365. Choose a subscription plan and sign in with your Microsoft account. In the upper right corner, click Install Apps and select Microsoft 365 Apps. The installer file will begin downloading. Then here, once downloaded, open a Finder and click Downloads and double-click the installer. Follow the on-screen steps and click Continue. Agree to the license and choose installation type. Enter your Mac password when prompted, and wait for the installation to complete. Then here, click and move the installer to trash if you want. And that's it. You can now open the Excel and explore that spreadsheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.